Okay, just a minute. You consider the introductory part. Whenever we see the structure of the pyridine, this heterocyclic system is closely resembled towards the benzene ring system in terms of the structural and the overall stability. When we say about the pyridine, pyridine is extremely resistant to about the oxidation reaction, and which is frequently employed as a solvent in conjugation with a oxidizing agent such as the chromium trioxide to effect the oxidation of the organic molecules. When we say about the physical properties of the pyridine is a colorless liquid having the boiling point, okay, the boiling point 115 degrees centigrade. Okay, when we say about the pyridine, it is a colorless liquid, having boiling point of 115 degrees centigrade and freezing point. Okay, the freezing point is minus 42 degrees centigrade, minus 42 degrees centigrade. Whereas, okay, whereas when we say about the benzene, okay, whereas for benzene, okay, the boiling point is 80 degrees centigrade and the freezing point at minus 5.5 degrees centigrade. 5.5 degrees centigrade. The large, whenever there is a difference between this boiling point and the freezing point, what we observe, whenever in case of the pyridine, it is a colorless liquid similar to the benzene, but the boiling point of there is an pyridine is 115 degrees centigrade, while the freezing point is minus 42 degrees centigrade. Whereas in case of the benzene, the boiling point is 80 degrees centigrade and the freezing point is minus 5.5 degrees centigrade. The larger intramolecular association of the pyridine, okay, the pyridine, because of its greater polarity, accounts for its higher boiling point. Why the pyridine is having the higher boiling point? The reason is that there is a large intramolecular association in a pyridine because of its greater polarity. The greater polarity account for its higher boiling point. In marked contrast to pyridine, there is an marked contrast to the benzene ring system, the pyridine is completely soluble in water, water, and most of there is an organic solvent. Okay, organic solvent. When we say about the benzene is a non-polar, does not soluble in water. Okay, insoluble in water. But in case of the pyridine, okay, it is completely contrast to that of the benzene ring system. The pyridine is completely soluble in water and most of the organic solvent. Its stability in the water is due to the presence of the excellent hydrogen bonding between the pyridine and water. Why the pyridine is highly water soluble? The reason is that the pyridine can forms. Okay, the pyridine can forms. There is an excellent hydrogen bonding between there is an a pyridine nitrogen and the water. The pyridine and nitrogen and the water. That's why it is a highly soluble in water. The highly soluble in water. When there is an a pyridine, okay, the pyridine are easily interact, okay, with the hydrogen bonding with an a water molecule. With the water molecule, this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, okay, the intermolecular hydrogen bonding makes the pyridine ring system, okay, makes the pyridine ring system highly water soluble. Okay, the highly water soluble. Okay, the highly water soluble. When we consider the stabilization energy of pyridine, okay, when we consider about the stabilization energy of pyridine, Okay, the stabilization of energy period of the pyridine is 21 kilocalorie per mole. Okay, 21 kilocalorie per mole, while the stabilization energy of the benzene is 36.5 kilocalorie per mole. Okay, we know about there is an a stabilization energy, or we can say the resonance energy. Resonance energy for there is an a pyridine ring system, the stabilization energy is the 21 kilocalorie per mole, while there is an a stabilization energy of the benzene is the 36.5 kilocalorie per mole. The per mole. When we consider the valence bond structure, okay, when we consider about the valence bond structure of pyridine and the benzene, okay, the pyridine and benzene. The in case of the pyridine, okay, the pyridine, we can draw there is a different resonance structure. Okay, the different resonance structure due to the electronegativity difference. Okay, the electronegativity difference when the resonance is takes place, the nitrogen get the negative charge, while there is a carbon get the positive charge. Okay, nitrogen get the negative charge, the carbon get the positive charge. We can get the different resonance structure for the pyridine system, pyridine ring system. We can get a different resonance structure. The positive charge is delocalized at the 246 position. Okay, the positive charge is delocalized at the 246 position. Okay, the 246 position. Similar to that of the benzene, we can draw the 2 Kekulé structure for there is an a pyridine ring system. This is the first position, second, third, 4, 5, and the 6. When we draw the different resonance structure, okay, the different resonance structure, what we observe, there is an in case of the pyridine ring system, the negative charge on the nitrogen, the positive charge is delocalized at the 2, 4, and the 6 position. The 2, 4, and the 6 position to convert an a one resonance, one Kekulé structure to the another Kekulé structure of the pyridine. Okay, another Kekulé structure of the pyridine. Okay, this is about the valence bond structures. Okay, the valence bond structures of there is an a pyridine ring system. Okay, valence bond structure of the pyridine ring system. As there is an a positive charge is delocalized at the 2, 4, and the 6 position. Okay, the 2, 4, and the 6 position. The pyridine, the carbon atoms, okay, the carbon atoms are having an a positive charge. The positive charge. Therefore, the pyridine are highly resistant toward there is an a electrophilic substitution reaction at the 2, 4, 6 position. There may be the possibility that the electrophilic substitution for the pyridine is takes place at the 3 or the 5 position. 3 or the 5 position. Moreover, when we can consider about this is the alpha carbon atoms, this is the beta carbon atoms, and this is the gamma carbon atoms of the pyridine. As in case of the pyridine, the valence bond structure shows that the positive charge is delocalized on the 2 alpha and the 1 gamma position. The 2 alpha and the 1 gamma position. Therefore, the pyridine are highly resistant toward the electrophilic substitution reaction at the alpha and the gamma position. There may be the electrophilic substitution are possible at the 3 position. The 3 position, but okay, but whenever the delocalization is takes place, there is a positive charge on the pyridine ring system makes, okay, the pyridine is highly resistant toward the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now consider the molecular orbital picture of the pyridine. Consider about the molecular orbital picture of pyridine. We already see in there is an aromaticity. Okay, the molecular orbital structure of the pyridine ring system. There are the 5 carbon atoms and the 1 nitrogen atom, consist of the 1 unhybridized p orbital, which carries the 1 electron, undergoes an e sidewise overlap, giving a fully conjugated aromatic 6 state. This is the fully conjugated aromatic 6-state. The pi electron cloud is resides above and below the pyridine ring system, while there is a one lone pair is perpendicular to the benzene ring system. Okay, it does not take part in the aromatic 6-state. Gives the pi electron cloud above and the below the ring system. Gives the molecular orbital picture. Okay, the molecular orbital picture. What we observe in case of the pyridine, there is an A5 carbon atoms and there is an A1 nitrogen, gives an acyclic ring system. Each carbon atom is the sp2 hybridized containing the one unhybridized p orbital having the one electron. Similarly, the nitrogen which is the sp2 hybridized containing the one electron is take part in the aromatic 6-state. Okay, therefore, according to the Huckel system, it is cyclic planar fully conjugated system having the 6 pi electron. Therefore, it is the aromatic system. This whatever the nitrogen lone pair is does not take part in the aromatic 6-state. Therefore, it is easily available for the there is an A protonation. Therefore, the pyridine acts as an A weak base. Okay, the pyridine is acts as a weak base. Now consider the comparison between the pyridine and there is an A pyrrole and the piperidine. Okay, give the comparison. Next point about the comparison between there is an A pyridine, pyrrole and the piperidine. There is an A basicity of the these compounds about the pyridine there is an A piperidine and there is an A pyrrole ring system. This is structure of pyridine. This is the piperidine. And this is an A pyrrole ring system. Consider about the basicity of these compounds. What we observe, the pyridine is the considerably more basic than the pyrrole and the piperidine. The pyrrole and the piperidine. The lone pair on the nitrogen is easily available for the protonation, so it acts as an A base as well as the nucleophile. It acts as a base as well as the nucleophile. In case of the pyridine and the piperidine, acts as a base. Okay, acts as a base in both. The lone pair is readily available for the donation and this stabilize the carbocation. If you compare, there is an basicity of the pyridine, piperidine and the pyrrole. What we observe in case of the pyrrole, okay, the nitrogen lone pair is involved in the aromatic 6-state. Okay, the aromatic 6-state. Therefore, it does not easily available for the donation. While in case of the piperidine and the pyridine, okay, the nitrogen lone pair is easily available for the donation. It does not involve in the aromatic 6-state. Therefore, the pyridine and the piperidine shows a basic character, and it is the more basic as compared to the pyrrole. Next, we consider the pyridine and the piperidine. Okay, the pyridine and the piperidine. In case of the pyridine, okay, the pyridine, it is considerably more basic characteristics, as well as it shows some nucleophilic characteristics, as the nitrogen lone pair does not involve in the aromatic 6-state. Okay, it is easily available for the donation, as well as there is a conjugated system. Okay, the pyridine conjugated system stabilizes the carbocation well as compared to the piperidine ring system. Therefore, there is a pyridine is the more basic as compared to the piperidine as compared to the pyrrole ring system. Are you understand? There is an A pyridine. Okay, the pyridine is considerably more basic than the pyrrole and the piperidine. The lone pair on the nitrogen is easily available for the protonation, so it acts as a base as well as the nucleophile. The pyridine and the piperidine acts as a base in both. The lone pair is readily available for the donation and it can stabilize the carbocation well. Okay, Therefore, there is a basicity order is the pyridine is the more basic as compared to the piperidine as compared to the pyrrole ring system. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, consider about the discovery. Particularly, there is an pyridine is discovered by the Anderson. Okay, Anderson, and it is obtained from the bone oil. Okay, consider about the discovery. Consider about the discovery. The pyridine is discovered. Okay, the pyridine is discovered by there is an A. Anderson. Discovered by the Anderson. It obtained from bone oil. Okay, it can be obtained from the bone oil. It occurs in coal tar as well. It can occur in the coal tar as well. Okay, that is the discovery of the there is an A pyridine ring system. The pyridine ring system. Now consider about there is an A dipole moment value. Okay, the dipole moment value. Consider the next point is about the dipole moment of these heterocyclic ring systems. Okay, the heterocyclic ring system. Whenever we compare the dipole moment of the pyridine, okay, the dipole moment of the pyridine, then the dipole moment of there is an A piperidine. Okay, the dipole moment of the piperidine, and there is an A dipole value of there is an A pyrrole ring system. The pyrrole ring system. For there is an A dipole moment value. Okay, the dipole moment value for there is an A pyridine is 2.23 dBi. It is a 2.23 dBi. The piperidine is 1.17 dBi, while the pyrrole is 1.81 dBi. 1.81 dBi. Gives an A dipole moment value for the pyridine, piperidine, and the pyrrole ring system. Whenever we can give the valence bond structure, okay, the valence bond structure, what we observe, the charge separation in the pyridine is supported by the its larger dipole moment value. The charge separation is takes place. Okay, the charge separation is takes place in which there is an when the resonance structure we can draw the negative charge on the nitrogen atom while the positive charge on the carbon atom. The charge separation is pyridine is supported by its larger dipole moment value. Okay, larger dipole moment value of the 2.23 dBi. The 2.23 dBi. Due to the resonance effect, there is an innate charge electron density get transfer from the pyridine ring system towards the nitrogen atom. The nitrogen atom. While there is an it is larger than that of the piperidine. Larger than that of the piperidine. In the piperidine, the nitrogen lone pair. Nitrogen is attached to the CH2 carbon atom. It can withdraw the electron density, but only by the inductive effect. The inductive effect. While in case of the pyridine, the resonance effect is operative. Okay, resonance effect is operative. We know the resonance effect is the more operative as compared to the inductive effect. Therefore, the charge separation is more occur in the pyridine as compared to the piperidine. Therefore, the pyridine is having a large dipole moment value of 2.23 dBi, while the piperidine is the 1.17 dBi. The 1.17 dBi. While in case of the pyrrole ring system, as the nitrogen lone pair is involved in the aromatic state, therefore the electron density get transferred from the nitrogen towards the cyclic ring system, the cyclic carbon atom. Therefore, it is having the reverse dipole moment vector. The reverse dipole moment vector. It is having a reverse dipole moment value of the 1.81 dBi. The 1.81 dBi. In the pyridine, electrons are attracted towards the nitrogen atom, it being more electronegative than carbon. I will repeat. In pyridine, the electrons are attracted towards the nitrogen atom, it being more electronegative than the carbon atom, and the situation in pyrrole is exactly reverse. Okay, exactly reverse. Because the electron pair is involved in the aromatic 6 state. The aromatic 6 state. That's why there is a dipole moment value for the pyridine is higher, larger. That is a 2.23 dBi. Then there is an apipridine is 1.17 dBi. Well, in case of the pyrrole, it is a completely reverse. Okay, reverse. The electron density is from nitrogen towards the heterocyclic ring system, and it is a 1.81 dBi. Are you understand up to this? Are you understand up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, consider about the next point is about the electrophilic attack. Okay, consider about the electrophilic attack. Consider about the electrophilic attack. As we there is an a consider the valence bond structure. The valence bond structure. What we observe when the resonance is takes place, the positive charge is delocalized at the second. Okay, the second, 4 and the 6 position. The 2, 4 and the 6 position. That makes that makes there is a considerable positive charge is present at the 2, 4, 6 position in the pyridine. Okay, pyridine. Therefore, it makes difficult for the electrophilic attack on the pyridine, rather difficult. This has been further correlated by the calculation of the pi electron density at the different position in the pyridine. I will repeat. Whenever there is an A, we can consider the different resonance structure. What we observe, there is a considerable positive charge is present at the 246 position. The 246 position of the pyridine ring system, which should make electrophilic attack on the pyridine is rather difficult. This has been further correlated by the calculation of the pi electron density at the different position in the pyridine. Okay, different position in the pyridine. Therefore, the attack at the electrophilic attack of the pyridine, okay, the of pyridine at the 246 position. Okay, the T246 position. Okay, the 246 position is rather difficult. Okay, rather difficult due to considerable positive charge. Okay, due to the considerable positive charge at 246 position of pyridine. Okay, of the pyridine. Okay, that is about the reactivity. Consider next about there is an pyridine N oxide. Okay, consider the reactivity of the pyridine N oxide. Okay, the pyridine N oxide. From the structural viewpoint, the pyridine N oxide represent particularly interesting initiative because they are endowed with the capability of increasing the electron density at the various ring position or in the presence of the direction upon demand of the reagent to which they are exposed. Okay, when there is an a pyridine, okay, the pyridine which is having a positive charge at the 246 position. Okay, the 246 position. When that pyridine gives the oxidation with the H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, convert there is an a pyridine to the pyridine N oxide. Okay, convert the pyridine to the pyridine N oxide. When the pyridine N oxide undergoes the delocalization of electrons, it can increases the electron density. Okay, it increases the electron density at the 246 position. Okay, when we give the resonance, depend on the reagent employed. Okay, the reagent employed, which can increases the electron density. Okay, increases the electron density on there is a demand of the reagent. Maybe the electron density increases at the 246 position. The 246 position, we can obtain there is a different resonance structure in which the charge can be delocalized at the 246 position. Further delocalization, having the double bond O, double bond here, the negative charge here, the positive charge on the nitrogen. Further delocalization takes place. We can give the resonance structure like this, having the O minus, the nitrogen again carries the positive charge, double bond here. What we observe for the pyridine N oxide, for the pyridine N oxide, when there is a delocalization of electron takes place, okay, takes place, give the interesting initiative which is have the capability of the increasing the electron density at the various ring position. The various ring position at the 246 position, okay, 246 position depends on there is a demand of the reagent, okay, demands of the reagent to which they are exposed, okay, depends on the reagent, which type of the reagent you can carry out the reaction, depends on that they can increase the electron density at the 246 position. Therefore it is the interesting initiative, okay, initiative of there is a pyridine compound, the pyridine compound. The species of the pyridine N oxide is very important to study because it is a because the use of lone pair or the negative charge on the oxygen into the ring carbon make there is a carbon atoms of the pyridine ring system are the more electron rich, the more electron rich. So the electrophilic attack on the ring is possible and the electron density increases at the various positions upon the demand of the reagent, the demand of the reagent. That is about the pyridine N oxide. I will repeat, the species pyridine N oxide is very important to study due to the use of lone pair or the negative charge on the oxygen into the ring carbon makes the more electron rich. So the electrophilic attack on the ring is possible and the electron density increases at the various position upon demand of the reagent, so that we can carry out the electrophilic substitution at the 246 position. Rather, it is difficult for the simple pyridine compound. The simple pyridine compound. That is about the introductory part of the pyridine ring system. Okay, this is the introductory part of the pyridine ring system. Are you understand up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.